we are going to discuss some important models from atomic structures. They given first question in an oil drop experiment. The charges on oil drops are given. We have to find the approximate charge on electron. So generally the simplest charge which will can be divide all the charges on oil drop and give the positive integer is considered as the charge on electron. So here charge will be we will get 1.2 into 10 power minus 18 is the charge on electron here. Why it will become, so it divide the all these charges and give the positive integers like 4, 2, 5 and 8 respectively. So option 4 will be correct answer. In second question they are given this concept related Planck's theory. In this case they given 25 watt bulb means 25 joules give per second, and light wavelength is given 6000 angstroms, that will be lambda is given. So we have to find number of photons emitted, E equal to nh nu nhc by lambda. We have to find number of photons, so E lambda by hc. E is the energy is a 25 joules per second, so 25. Lambda is a frequency 6000 angstroms, 6000 into 10 power minus 10, and h is a 6.63 into 10 power minus 34, and c is a velocity of light 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Substituting all these values, we are getting 7.54 into 10 power 8. So the correct option is fourth one. And question number 3, it is related to photoelectric effect. Light of frequency 1.5 times the threshold frequency of incident on a photosensitive material. So that is a frequency of light is 1.5 times of threshold frequency. The frequency is up and the intensity is double. Frequency off means the light frequency will becomes 0.75 mu naught. Now light frequency is less than threshold frequency, so no photoelectric effect, so therefore photoelectric current will be 0. Okay, so option 4 will be correct. Next one, it is energy is given 24.6 electron volt to remove the 1 electron from the neutral helium atom. Okay, and the energy required to remove both the electrons they are asking. Okay, so after removing 1 electron it will be becomes a hydrogen like species. So in this case Ez value is to ionization enthalpy is equal to 13.6 Ez square equal to 54.4 electron volt. Already to remove first electron we require 24.6 electron volt, second electron 54.4 electron volt, total will be 79 electron volt. Okay, so here also option 4 will be coming. And the next one, the electron revolves around lithium 2 plus nucleus at a distance 1.587 angstrom. The speed of electrons should be, so radius formula we know by using the radius formula. Okay, so they given lithium related, so by using substituting that Z value 3, we are getting n square is equal to 9. 3 into 3 9, and n value will be equal to 3 will becomes by substituting the velocity formula 2.188 into 10 power 6 into z by n. So we already know that z and we already know the n value. Substituting that we are getting the velocity of the electron, so 2.188 into 10 power 6 meter per second. Next, an electron jumps from the 5th orbit to 2nd orbit, so it will be higher energy to lower energy it is moving. So that in that case maximum number of spiral lines sum over n2 minus n1. By substituting that, n2 is a 5 and n1 will be 2, so sum over 3 is equal to 6, so we will get the option 3. In next case it is related to Heisenberg uncertainty principle. They given mass of particle is 10 power minus 10 kg, so we know that mass, and diameter 10 power minus 4 centimeter, no problem with that. If its speed is 10 power minus 6 centimeter per second and accuracy given 0.0001%, So by using this one, we can find delta V is equal to 0.0001 by 100 into 10 power minus 6 is the uncertainty in velocity. So that is equal to 10 power minus 14 meter per second. We have to find uncertainty in position. Delta x is equal to h by 4 pi m delta V. Substituting the values, we will get the 5.28 into 10 power minus 8 meter. Next concept is related to the orbital angular momentum. How you can find our orbital angular momentum? That equal to square root of L into L plus 1 into h cross. H cross means h by 2 pi. Whenever it will be, when it will be 0, L value is equal 0, that orbital angular momentum will be 0. L value 0 for s orbital. So wherever the s orbitals are there, that will be orbital angular momentum will be 0. So option 1 and 3 will be comes 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 means it is the first option will become. Next one, which of the following quantum numbers is permissible? So generally, if you are given value n equal to 4 is given, so L value 0 to 3 will be possible, ML value minus L2 plus L will be possible, MS value plus 7 minus of possible. So in this case, first one 4 1 will be possible, but ML value plus 2 is not possible. For 1 means minus 1 to plus 1, so it is not possible. And in this case, this spin will be 1 is not possible. In this case, n value is equal to 4 means L value maximum 3, so this is also not possible. So second option will be all permissible values are there, so option 2 is correct. Next one, which of the following configuration will be violating Pauli exclusion principle? Pauli exclusion principle means two electrons present in the same orbital with the same spin, then it will be easily violate the Pauli exclusion principle, because no two electrons should not have all quantum numbers same. So these two electrons have the same quantum numbers of spin. So that's why this is the option 2 will be the violating the Pauli exclusion principle. Arrange the following subshell increasing order of energy. Okay, increasing order of energy, n plus value, it depends on n plus value. More n plus L value is there, more energy will be present. If n plus L value same, it depend on n value. So here we are getting n plus L value 6, 7, 5, 6. So this minimum will be 5, and in both cases 6 will be there in a 1 and 4. In this case, more n value, more will be the energy. So 4 will be have more n value, so more energy will be there, and 1 will be have less energy will be present. Then overall order will be follows like this. And finally, the concept related to magnetic moment. Magnetic moment is root over n into n plus 2 Bohr magnetons. They given 2 root 6 Bohr magnetons, so root over 24. That means n equal to 4 will become 4 unpaired electrons will be there. How to find here? Mn2 plus d5 configuration, so n equal to 5. Fe3 plus also d5 configuration, n equal to 5, so 5 unpaired electrons will be there. CO2 plus will be have d7 configuration, having an unpaired electrons 3. CO3 plus d6 configuration, having n equal to 4. So these are important models related to atomic structures. Okay, thank you.